Today's word is tentative. See, there are 3 syllables. Tentative. And you stress on the first syllable, ten. So you say tentative. It means something that's experimental. Something that's not sure, not certain, not final. Let's look at an example. The university declared the examination dates but added that these were tentative. Why tentative? Because they depended on the approval from the Ministry of Education. So unless the Ministry of Education says okay, the university can't say that these dates are final. They're not final, they are tentative. Let's look at another example. Her nervousness showed clearly as she took tentative steps towards the podium. Tentative steps means not very sure. She was walking in a nervous manner, not sure, not confident, tentative. One more example. India has started taking tentative steps to restart the economy by phased easing of the lockdown restrictions. Tentative steps means slow steps, not really sure that these will restart the economy, but okay, let's try this. Let's ease these restrictions a little bit and see what the effect is. That's tentative. Do you know anything that's tentative in your life? Give them in the comments below.